guys, so today on my channel I'm doing one of my favorite videos, a FabFitFun unboxing of the summer 2019 box. So let's jump right into it. This box is absolutely gorgeous. These colors, this print, I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. This box is in support of Global Gift Foundation, the Eva Longoria Foundation this time. Their boxes are just, these are like one of my favorite videos to watch and to do. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. You see the magazine inside of it, and the magazine is actually the details of all the products you have inside. It almost always has a HelloFresh subscription, which I used to do HelloFresh, and now I've done Home Chef for over a year, and it's by far my favorite. It also comes with a discount code for your friends, which this video is in partnership with FabFitFun. I am not paid for this video, but they do partner with me, supply me with the box, and give you guys a $10 off discount code. So I am super happy to be partnering with them with this. And they now ship to the UK, guys. So if you did not know that and you're in the UK and you always wanted one of these, now's the time to grab one. When you purchase a FabFitFun box, what you are actually getting in here with the discounted $10 off is a value anywhere from $250 to $450 worth of products in this box for that price. You can't beat that. So before we jump into this, if you are not yet a subscriber of my channel, I would love if you click that little red button down below and follow along with us. So let's jump right into this box. So it comes in with a little seal over here. Mine got, I guess, messed up a little bit in shipment, but it is sealed and closed. And let's just start going through what's here. Let's take a look. So the first thing is the Invisibobbles, and these are very similar to the Teletees that you guys see me talking about all the time. I have not used these since they first came out, so that will be something very fun to try and play with. This looks like a piece of jewelry. Let's see what it is. Says Jennifer Zeuner Jewelry. It's Zeuner. And let's see what's in this. It's a nice little bag that it comes in. It feels like it's on a card. Oh, this is cute. It's a very cute little necklace. It is a gold necklace. It has 2 stars on it. It looks like it has adjustments, so you could probably wear this as a choker, and it's super cute. And that is a great piece for summertime. You know, just a nice little something up at your neckline is perfect to wear all the time in the summertime. I love this stuff. You guys know I love the lip balm in this, and I had tried this one other time, and it is the Sol Genera Fast Absorbing Body Cream. Guys, this stuff smells like summer in a jar. I'm going to open it up and see if it still smells like that. Last time I think I remember it's kind of like a coconutty vanilla scent. Oh, it's like vanilla, coconutty. Kind of smells a little bit like, it smells like the lip butter a little bit, but this one smells a little bit more like, kind of like cake batter would be the easiest way to explain it. It's so smooth, so nice. I love when I get items that I've already tried and I know I love in this. Then Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask, soften and soothes with intense hydration. In the summertime, guys, we all know our feet get beat up so much worse. We're wearing flip-flops, we're walking in the sand, we're walking on sidewalks, things like that. Let's see if this has any scent to it. Very summery scented. This Wish brand, I've actually heard they have really, really great self-tanners. Might be something to give a shot. Then there is the Grace and Sella Spray All Day Rose Spray. Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Well, we all know I love rose scented stuff, and a good facial spray is amazing. I, a lot of times, buy those Evian spray waters, and I keep them in my pool and beach bag, and I use them when I'm out on the beach because it just kind of refreshes you. Oh, what a cute little packaging. And it's a plastic bottle. Let's spray it and see. Let's see here. I don't know if you have to shake it. Oh my gosh. Just that fresh rose scent. Oh, it feels nice. I like that. That'll be a good addition to my beach bag this summer. Next up is Intelligent Nutrients Refined Micro Polish. Smooths and exfoliates. Guessing this is a skincare. Yes, it is. It is a super fine treatment that gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores for all skin types, especially oily and dry. This one does not have a scent to it, but I will give that a shot. Anything for summertime, good skin, nice, healthy, glowy skin. Next thing, the Ico London. Oh, I remember that brand from way, way back when I first started on YouTube. I feel like I got something from them. This is their I Do Liquid Eyeliner Line Enhancing Pencil. It comes on a little card like this, and the eyeliner is actually in here. It's not a shaker one. Oh, it's a nice pen. Good. Oh, that went down very easily. Very nice feeling. It's a felt tip pen. This is awesome. I will definitely play with this. Next thing is who is this by? Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I've tried clay masks. I've never tried a purple one. Again, no scent to it. This packaging is interesting. It's kind of like a soft rubberized package. Pretty cool. I wonder if I feel like that might be like a recycled packaging. Let's see here. The next thing in here is from 111 Skin. It is called the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and it is by Dr. Alexandries, MD. It looks like they're sheet masks. This is what it looks like, but it looks like they're sheet masks, which is what I'm guessing. This probably is inside here. Yep. How cool is that? How many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I love a good sheet mask. Never tried a rose gold one. That'll be interesting to try. And then it looks like the last item in here is the Brazilian. So this is the Sol Janeiro as well. Ooh, Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Oh my gosh, that smells exactly like the other things. This will be amazing this summer. This with the moisturizer. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This will be perfect for summertime. Those are all of the items in this box for this season. I thought this one was perfect for summertime. All of these items go so perfectly together, all having to revolve around summertime and just your skin in summertime. I love seeing all the items because all of these boxes are completely customizable. And actually, talking about that, let's talk about the little magazine real quick because I'm going to go through and tell you what some of the other options are that you could have received in this box. So the first page, we're going to talk about the things that I received here. So I received the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. And I also received the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask set of 5. Some of the other items you could have possibly gotten were the travel size blow dryer. You could have gotten the towel that's a lotus flower towel. You could have gotten a kimono. That is a pretty one right there. The West Elm tie-dye bowls. Those are just gorgeous. The Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, or the XO Sienna Black Felt Letterboard. All of those are really great options, so you could choose any 2 on that side of the page. Then on this side, I did get the Jennifer Star double necklace, which is super cute, but 2 of the other options that you could have received were the Burn 60 resistance bands or the What a Pair set of 2 silicone wine glasses. Those silicone wine glasses are really cool. My sister-in-law has those too. Then you received one of these items here, which would be the Ico London Dew Black Liquid Eyeliner, which is the one I received, or the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, a mystery item, which you don't know what that is until it gets here, or the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. I really liked the ones that I got. I think those are perfect choices for the summertime. And then we go to the next page. And the next section is actually options that our select members only receive those. So these are not in every single box. And that is the Ico London I Do Black Liquid Eyeliner that I received, the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, a mystery item, which you don't know what that is until you receive it, or the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. But on the next page, some of the items that are in those certain boxes as well are the Kula Organic SPF Makeup Setting Sunscreen Spray, which that actually looks like something I might try anyway. And the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish, which was the one I received. Then you have these next couple items that are in every single box. And it is the Invisibobble Original Duo Pack, the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, the Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray, and the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. So no matter what you decide to choose, all of these seem like they are really, really great options. The only ones that I personally would probably not use are the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream and the Burn 60 Band. Probably the felt letterboard, maybe the kimono, maybe the towel, maybe the tote. Then the next page here is talking about the dollars for change and creating better tomorrows together. Then there are items to show you how to use all of these things. Then they always have different items in here and talk about them. So the first one is like the summer cocktails for those rose-colored wine glasses. There's some summer treats. There are some summer workouts for with those bands that I spoke about. On the other side, it also tells you some tips and tricks for both of the skin items that I received and the one that I did not. Then some lifestyle information, some do-it-yourself projects, and some live items. The next couple pages talk specifically about the products, answer some questions that you may have about different products. It tells you a little bit more in specifics about the products, like the rose gold masks, the bum bum cream, things like that. And it tells you about the Exo Sienna and the felt board, what you can do with that. Then it talks about leading a life with kindness, all with Eva Longoria. So this is an interview with her and asked her some questions. Oh my gosh, that little doggy looks like Scotch. Then it goes through and tells you about some leaders changing the conversation about things and all about them. And this is the two girls over here from Tone It Up. I used to follow that system. And then it continues on with a few more people. The member spotlight is actually people that are using the little boards and how they're using them. Tweets that have gone on Twitter. Some female leads share their fearless moments, just gives you some things to read. Horoscope, member only products, what you would get if you were a member only. And then the summer edit and a crossword puzzle at the end. And it's a great little book, and it just gives you good information about all the products you received. So I hope you guys enjoyed opening this up with me. As I mentioned, this is always something that is fun to me. If you have any questions about anything I spoke about here, please let me know down in the description box. As always, everything that I'm wearing on my face and the dress that I am wearing, they will be listed down in the description box as well under what I'm wearing. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day. Bye.